Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to buy Amazon Prime with Google Play Balance. Now to get started with this, first things first that you need to do is to log in onto Amazon. Now once you're already onto the Amazon, you need to search here or head onto the search bar to search for the gift cards. So just type in Amazon gift card for that, click onto the first option and wait for it to load. Now you need to scroll down onto the result and head onto the Amazon.com e-gift card. So you need to click onto that one. And then right after, you'll just need to go ahead and choose standard first, or you could choose the logo for Amazon for this one. So you could opt for this one, and then you could enter your gift card details. So this gift card can only be used to purchase eligible goods and services available on Amazon.com. So choosing the amount, the delivery, if it should be onto email or text message, type in your email, and this is from who, add in a message, and the quantity and the delivery date. Now, once you have completed that, just go ahead and click onto add to cart or click onto buy now to proceed immediately onto the checkout. Now, right after, you'll get redirected onto the checkout page and you need to choose a payment method for that. So as you can see, as of the moment, the only available payment option that we have in here is to add in a credit or debit card. So Amazon accepts all major credit cards for that one, and it doesn't have an option as of the moment to go ahead and directly use your Google Play balance to pay for this. So what you could do is you could try to convert first your Google Play balance onto your credit or debit card to go ahead and purchase your Amazon gift card. And once that balance is already converted to your credit or debit card, you could go ahead and click onto add a credit or debit card to proceed for that one. So you'll just need to type in your card number, name on card, expiration date, security code, and once you have successfully added your card, it's time to go ahead and click onto use this payment method, click onto the prompts to proceed onto buying your Amazon gift card. And that's just basically it onto how to buy Amazon gift card with Google Play Balance. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.